The city goes silent. Neon lights glow while my heart keeps dying. I walk these streets still searching for your face. Every corner whispers your name in the rain. But you're nowhere now, fading like a shadow, and the loneliness inside me keeps growing. The darker it gets, the deeper I fall, lost in empty streets, wandering alone. If you still think of me sometimes tonight, I'd give everything. I wanna see you in the middle of this night. Be the light inside my darkest hour. And while this city slowly falls asleep, my heart is still waiting for you. Rain on my window writes down your name, and I'm still drunk from your kisses. Every dark alley carries your perfume, and the silence feels just like your touch. My footsteps turned into a habit, searching for you inside the truth. No matter where I go, no matter where I run, you're the only one I wanna see. I'd give everything. And while the night keeps swallowing these streets, inside your dreams I still survive.